In 8085, say this is a program. This is a program. Say I want to jump from this line to that line. How we are doing the instructions? So this program is written from 8100. Say, and this instruction is written in say 8105, and I want to jump in 81 say 23H. So what are the instructions I will be write over here? Maybe like JC, JNC, maybe JC, JNC, maybe JC, JNC, and after that 8123H. Am I right? Any jump instruction after the
Hmm.
locations. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
What will be the problem? Say, say I'm, cut this total program, cut, CUT cut. Cut this total program and paste it in 8200. Program will be execute or not?
Program will be execute.
Program will be execute. In my point of view, program will not be execute. But question is why?
So because when I jump carries, if I do this jump carries 8223H, then program will be execute.
Yes, but if I am cut this program and paste it over here, then program will not be execute. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
If I am cut this program and paste over here, the program will not be execute due to the address
Address, because the address is not valid in case of if I start
8200
the program. Yes,
in
sir.
8200.
Hmm.
So
Yes, sir.
in 8085, all the program are machine location, memory locations dependent. In 8085, all the programs of in memory location dependent. You cannot jump or you cannot copy this program into any other places. This is memory location dependent. You should be write that particular memory only, right?
Hmm. Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But if I'm talking about the your computer, you have a computer or maybe you have a mobile phone. When you are installing any software means like any apps, like Microsoft, like PDF reader, like anything, any software. Whenever you installed, this is nothing but a program. Software is nothing but a set of instructions, set of
Hmm.
a big program, nothing else. So whenever you install a software means you are write a program, there
Hmm.
is any specific memory location is given that this software should be installed in 8200. Say in your mobile phone, maybe you are installing a CS scanner, right? So whenever
Hmm.
you are installing the scanner, there is a specific memory location that you should be installed in that particular memory locations only.
Hmm.
There is any specific, yes or no? कोई स्पेसिफिक रहता
Hmm.
है जो इसी मेमोरी
No,
लोकेशन
no,
पे
no,
सॉफ्टवेयर को
sir.
इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा? तुम लोग तो कोई भी जगह तुम लोग जानते भी नहीं हो कौन सा मेमोरी लोकेशन में इंस्टॉल हो रहा है.
Yes, yes.
You are just installing the software. Means
Hmm.
where the previous software is in, maybe after that it will be start. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So means you doesn't know the actual memory locations where this software will be installed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this problem somehow it is change. Am I right? Somehow
Which
this
problem?
problem is changed. So how this problem, it's changed, how this problem is rectified. It's a very essential how this problem is rectified. So this is nothing but a, what is done. Say I want to jump from 81, say 8105, right? This is not a 81, say it's a 810A. It's a 810A. So it's also 810A. Okay. So I want jump from 8105 to 810A, right?
Sir, एक question.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 81001 to 810. বস আমি একটা ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, ক্লাস নিয়ে আপনাকে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ আমি জাস্ট ক্লাস নিচ্ছি বলে করতে পারছি না, ওর জন্যই বললাম। হ্যাঁ আমি ক্লাসটা নিয়ে নিই, শেষ হয়ে যাক। 8105, ओके।
सर एक क्वेश्चन था
हाँ बोलो।
सर, कोई भी जैसे कि सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसको हम लोग लैपटॉप या अपने पीसी में एक्सेस कर पाते हैं, लेकिन बट मोबाइल में नहीं एक्सेस कर पाते, उसका रीजन क्या होता है?
कौन सा?
कोई भी ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर होता है, जैसे कि बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर मोबाइल में रन नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन
तो
वो
लैपटॉप में
लैपटॉप
करते
या
लैपटॉप में
उसका
रन।
रीजन क्या होता
हाँ
है?
एक्चुअली तुम भेज है नॉन भेज हो?
दोनों सर।
दोनों दोनों। तो तुम्हारे लिए एग्जाम्पल ठीक नहीं रहेगा। हाँ ये दूसरा टाइप का बोल रहे हैं। तुम घास वगैरह खा सकते हो?
घास
ग्रासेस जो होता है ना,
नहीं सर।
नहीं खा सकते हो। वेरी गुड। सो मान के चलो ये तो हम काऊ के देंगे तो काऊ खा लेगा।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
इसका पीछे ना कुछ चाहिए जो मतलब वो डाइजेस्ट करता है, जो सिस्टम है उसका अलग सिस्टम है, एंड योर सिस्टम इज टोटली डिफरेंट। दैट्स व्हाई cow can can eat these things, you cannot। तुम अभी खाने से क्या होगा, तुम्हारा दिक्कत क्या होगा, तुम्हारा पेट में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा, कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा। तो ये प्रॉब्लम ना होने के लिए तुम लोग नहीं खाना खाते हो, तुम लोग खाना पका के खाते हो। Am I right?
हाँ सर। हाँ सर।
तो पीछे में बैकग्राउंड, इसीलिए जो तुम्हारा लैपटॉप है, लैपटॉप में एक ओएस है। ओएस का नाम है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम मतलब विंडोज है, विंडोज 10 है, विंडोज 5 है, विंडोज 8 है, कुछ ना कुछ है। एक्सपी है, जो सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर वो सॉफ्टवेयर काम कर सकता है। जैसे तुम्हारा मोबाइल में है वो एंड्रॉयड है, वो एंड्रॉयड के ऊपर कोई दूसरा सॉफ्टवेयर काम करेगा और विंडोज के ऊपर कोई दूसरा सॉफ्टवेयर काम करेगा, इसलिए नहीं हो पाता।
और कुछ कुछ सर सॉफ्टवेयर ऐसा होता है जो दोनों में रन करता है,
इसीलिए दोनों का अलग अलग वर्जन है, दोनों का अलग अलग वर्जन है, दोनों को अलग अलग वर्जन है। एक विंडोज के लिए करने के लिए एक वर्जन और इसके लिए करने के लिए एक वर्जन। एक ही सॉफ्टवेयर है मगर वर्जन अलग है। सो क्या बोल रहा था, 8 this jump will be from 8105 to 810A। question is clear to everyone? So how it will be done? Say assuming JC is a how much byte of instructions?
Single byte instruction.
Huh?
Single byte instruction.
JC
No,
is a
3 byte.
3 byte
3
instruction.
byte.
So next instruction I can write in 8108. If I am not wrong, so it will be correct, I think. If JC is a 3 byte, so next instruction I will be written in 8108. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what are the
sir.
functions of program counter? What are the functions of program counter? When these instructions start to execute, when 8105 instruction, that is JC810A, start to execute, program counter automatically store this value. When these instructions start to execute, program counter automatically store this value. Is it clear?
Hmm.
That actually this is the function of program counter. This is not, very tough. I am saying this is function of program counter. When these instructions start to execute, program counter automatically store the next instruction to be executed. So next instruction is 8108. So program counter stored that 8108 automatically. I am not doing anything. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 81008 to 8109 and 810A. These two will be jump. Means this is the first jump, this is the second jump. So it needs 2 bytes of jump. So instead of JC810A, we will be write JC02H. JC02H.
0 to H. Yes.
Actually, now this instruction is a 1 byte, 2 byte, or 3 byte instruction.
Sir, JC কোনটা বলেন JC?
JC02H.
সেটা 3 বাইটই থাকবে।
কি করে থাকবে স্যার? Now this
না,
is a
2 byte.
16 bit of number. Now it's a 8
16
bit
bit
of number.
number.
Now it's a 2 byte.
2
So
byte.
if I'm written again, I want to jump from 8105. So next instruction I can write in 8107. It's a JC. So 08, 09, 0A. So how much byte will be jumped? 3. So I am writing 03H. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. বুঝলাম।
This is called relative address. This is called relative address or short label. This is called relative address or short label. If I am mentioning over here JC03H, if I am mentioning over here JC03H, and after that, if I am cut this program and pasted in 8200 and pasted in 8200, what will be happen? Program will be executed or not?
Not execute.
Why not execute?
Address location not same.
Address is not required now. Now is given only 3. I am just 3 byte jump.
Yes.
Where it is, it will be jump 3 byte.
3 byte jump.
I am not mentioning the address.
Because the address was the problem, that's why we go for this method, na?
Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This jump is called forward jump. This kind of jump is called forward jump. This kind of jump is called forward jump.
Forward.
Forward jump. And it can be jumped from 00 to 7F. Means 0 to 127 byte. Total is 128 bytes jump it can be done. 00 to 7F. If I want to jump in the backward side, backward jump, then what will be happen? Then what will be happen? Say my program like that, I'm mentioning I'm write the program in 810A, and there is a instructions like JC, and there is some instructions, and I want to jump in 8105. Just reverse of that. Just the reverse of that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Means पहले 8105 से 0A में आ रहा था, अब 0A से हम 05 में
এখন উল্টে যাচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ।
just back side means in these directions. This direction means back.
Reverse.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? My question is clear to all of you. Assuming this is a 2 byte instruction, so it's a 810
C.
okay, 810C. So when these instructions start to execute, what will be the value of program counter?
810C.
Obviously 810C. This is the value of program counter. When these instructions start to execute, next instruction to be executed address will be stored into the program counter. Okay.
Hmm.
Next, just see. So 8110C, 0B, 0A, 09, 08, 07, 06, 05. So how much byte will be jump? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Six,
6,
7.
7.
seven.
07.
Hmm.
So I will be right like that. JC minus 07H.
07 H.
Minus. It will be back
हाँ
side.
माइनस में
Backward jump.
बैक में होने
এটা
बैक में होने
back
से माइनस होगा और
जूनियर
फॉरवर्ड होने
minus.
से प्लस में होगा.
प्लस में हो. अभी माइनस 07 हम कैसे निकालेंगे? ये तो ऐसा तो नहीं हम लिख सकते. 07 को माइनस हम कैसे निकालेंगे? 07 in binary, it will be like 0000 and 0111, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Hmm.
2's complement of 07 is nothing but a negative number of 07. 2's complement. So how 2's complement will be done? I told you in the first day.
Wow.
ওয়ান্স কমপ্লিমেন্ট করার
First
পর
one যেটা থাকবে
One's
right hand
complement
side
plus one.
থেকে,
হুম
দেবজ্যোতি যেটা বলতে চাইছো তাই তো?
হুম হুম
আমি এটা অনেক বুঝিয়েছিলাম, এটা না।
হ্যালো স্যার,
Yes.
ফার্স্ট যে ওয়ানটা থাকবে সেটাকে কনস্ট্যান্ট রেখে পরে যা থাকবে সব ওগুলো মানে জিরো থাকলে ওয়ান হবে, ওয়ান থাকলে জিরো হয়ে যাবে।
Up to last non-zero term is unchanged, then 0 is converted into the 1 and 1 is converted into the 0. Are you looking from this side?
হুম হুম
First non-zero term. The first term is non-zero term. So it will be unchanged. If after that some 0 is there, all those will be unchanged. Then 1 is converted into the 0 and 0 is converted into the 1.
1 1 1.
So it's the F and this one
9
9. F9. So we'll be right F9H. First bit 1 means it's a negative number.
হুম
So range of the backward jump is 802FF. Range of the backward jump is 802FF. 0027F, any number, the most significant bit will be 0. And 802FF, any number, most significant bit should be 1.
ইয়েস স্যার
Is it clear?
ইয়েস স্যার
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ইয়েস স্যার।
Next, what will be our job? This is the actually forward jump and backward jump. So yesterday I told you some intra-segment direct and intra-segment indirect. So intra-segment means, say I'm given JMP, sorry, JMP, JMP, what is the last one? Is F9. JMP F9H. What does it mean? It's a intra-segment direct. It's a intra-segment direct, right? And this F9 is given into the any memory locations, and if I'm given with a register pair, then that will be called intra-segment indirect addressing mode. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার
Okay, sir.
Next, I will be explain the pin configurations of 8086. So, you know, anyone, I've already given pin, diagram of the pin. So anyone can, share the screen so I can explain it.
Yes, sir.
I already given.
Hmm.
You need a books for 8086 is a Bhurchandi book. Am I right?
Yes, sir. You have provided that also.
Yeah, already books already given to you. So if you
Yes, sir. We have.
you required, that's why I'm given to you.
Yes, sir.
Before starting, I want to say something regarding the 8086. In this class, who is the master?
You are only, sir.
You are only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, from next, whatever I am telling, only I am the master. Am I right? So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is, Shubhra wants to become a master. So, after the BTech, she will be complete MTech, and after that, she will be join in any colleges. So, I should be, given a 1, 2, 3 classes for Shubhra also, that Shubhra can experience enough. And I will be just, if required, then I will be talk. Otherwise, Shubhra will be take the class. Am I right?
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
In
Yes,
that
sir.
particular time, how many people will be the masters? 2.
Hmm.
Two. Yes.
Am I right? In
Hmm.
8085, only one processor can work. Only one processor can work. This term maybe you
But
know.
8086, two processors will work. Also, sir.
In 8085, one processor is work means, say in the circuit, only one 8085 you can attach. Any circuit, you only one 8085 you can attach. But in 8086, you can attach more than one 8086 processor. You required, you can install only one. You required, you can install 2, 3, 4, anything. Means
Okay.
you have the options whether you are doing for 2 processor, you require 2 processor, you can use. If you require 3 processor, you can use, right?
Hmm.
So in this class, how many masters is there?
2 masters.
2 masters. Whenever I talk, Subra is the students, remember. And whenever Subra will be talk, I will be the student. Mean, over here, there is a master and slave concept. Master and slave concept. Whenever any one person will be talk in that particular time, he or she will be the master, and rest of the people will be just like a students or slave.
Tutors.
Is it clear?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
So that's why in 8085, working in 2 different modes. One is called minimum mode and another is called maximum mode. Minimum mode means only one 8086 can work. and maximum mode means more than one 8086 can work together. Is it clear? Means, sir, one circuit you can install 2, 3, 4 number of, you know, 2, 3, 4 number of 8086 IC. Is it clear? But in 8085, it's not possible at all. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's why in 8085 it's not possible, but in 8086 is possible. So it's called minimum mode and maximum mode. How microprocessor enter into the minimum mode and maximum mode? Just go to pin number 33. Pin number 33. What you are doing? Pin number 33. Can you see the pin number 33? What are the names?
Yes, sir. MN bar.
What are the function of the
MX bar.
what are the function of each pin? I already given to you. You will be read it from this book. No issues for that. I already given to you. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So basically you can
We
read
have
it
this.
from this book, but whatever the explanations, what are the understanding that I am explaining in the class. No need to write or something like that. So MN oblique MX bar. So what is it meaning of that? MN means minimum and MX means maximum. So what are the function of this? I already taught you in a IO oblique M bar. IO oblique M bar. Already explained in 85.
Yes, sir.
So what are the functions of this one? MN oblique MX bar? Bar means
Active low.
Activate low.
Activate low. And bar is not there means active in
High.
High.
high. So when this signal goes high, minimum mode will be activated. When this signal goes low, maximum
Low.
mode will be activated.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? When
Yes,
this
sir.
signal goes low, minimum mode will be activated. When this signal goes high, then maximum mode will be activated. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. When I am only the teacher, there I think there is not so much of problem, because I can teach you. You will be listen. That is the funda, and I am assuming that you don't know anything, so I can say anything, whatever I know, right? But when Madam Shubhra is coming, then there is a big problem. That Shubhra is she's a master of microprocessor, so I cannot say anything, right? So I should be read it. I should be conscious about it. So the function of me basically change whenever there is a two person is there, or two person in a faculty position is there, and my function will be differ whenever I am only alone. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So because say I'm telling about a small story about my life, about how I can build my career or anything else. Shubhra can learn from it, and Shubhra can say to the principal sir or principal madam that sir, in my class, Dr. Sudipta Chakraborty not taking the class, only some story they are given every day, 1 and 2 and 3 or 4. He is not teaching anything. Is it clear? Shubhra can do,
Yes,
na?
sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, Shubhra can do.
No.
So basically, that's why I should be more conscious about it. So that's why in 8085 and 8086, in 8086, in a minimum mode and maximum mode, just see 8 pin is there, 8 pin is there, the name is different. Pin number 31 to pin number 24, pin number 24 to pin number 31. Just see, the name is different in maximum mode, the name is different in minimum mode, the name is different. Is it clear? Only this 8,
Yes, sir.
only this 8 pin. Rest all are the same. I will be conscious, but I will be speak from my mouth. I cannot speak from my nose. Is it clear? Subra, after joining in the Subra as a master in the class, I cannot speak in my nose. নাক দিয়ে বলতে পারবো কথা?
না।
সে মুখ দিয়েই বলবো, means rest of the pin will be function will be the remain same. Only this 8 pin will be different. Only this 8 pin will be different. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Only this 8 pin will be different. It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
স্যার আরেকবার বলবেন, আমি নেটওয়ার্ক আপনার জন্য কেটে গেছি।
Actually, whenever you are in a teacher, I cannot speak from the nose. আমি বলার প্রসিডিওর চেঞ্জ করব, আমি অনেক সাবধানভাবে বলবো, কিন্তু আমি বলাটা নাক দিয়ে বলতে পারবো না। So that's why rest of the 32 pins are basically same functions. Only 8 pin is a different function for minimum mode and maximum mode.
24 to 31.
24
Pin
to
number.
31. This name is different and the function is different. These 8 pin only. Rest all are the pin, same function in minimum mode or in maximum mode. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ground for maximum mode, it's required 2 ground pin is there. Pin number 1 and pin number 20. Pin number 1 and pin number 20 for maximum mode ground is required. That's why two ground pin is there. And next is pin number not pin number AD02 AD15. AD02 AD15. You can see from the pin number 16 to pin number 2 or something like that. So AD02 AD15, these are the 16 number of pin. This is the actually address oblique data bus multiplex. Address oblique data bus multiplex. Whatever I am write in the 8085s, you can same write things you can write for 8086. This is the address oblique data bus multiplex. You know, address bus always unidirectional, but as the data bus is a bidirectional, that's why AD02 AD15 is a bidirectional bus. That's why AD02 AD15 is a bidirectional bus. Is it clear?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, here AD0 to AD14 are on one side. And why AD15 is there?
That's depend upon the architecture. Architect,
Okay.
actually architect.
Okay.
Who is creating this 8086? He find it to actually, what is IC? Can you say what is IC? IC means a Jadu box.
Integrated circuit.
Integrated circuit is I know, but if you if I'm telling about in any IC, there are basically some gates. There are some basically some logic gates. There are basically some flip flop, something like that, right? So whenever you are creating the circuit, you should be you should be identify which point is near to that particular pin.
Okay.
According to that, they will be creating the pin number AD02 AD15. You can say that why not pin number AD0 is from pin number 1. These questions cannot, there is no answer actually.
Okay.
It's basically who is creating this architect. He can explain you, but we are unable to know his views. Why he is doing in AD15 in 39 number pin? I cannot say anything.
Okay.
Right? Maybe to doing the circuit in an internal circuit, AD15 is 39 is a very near. That's why he is connecting AD15 in pin number 39. That's why. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So these are the address of the data bus multiplex. So basically, sometime it will be act as a address bus, sometime it will be act as a data bus, depend upon the ALE signal. When ALE signal is high, AD0 to AD15 act as the address bus. Rest of the time it will be act as a data bus. It will be act as a data bus. When DEN signal will be there, I will be coming into the DEN signal. Data enable, full from DEN bar. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, I will be coming into the clock pin number 19. It's connected with a system clock or crystal. It's connected with a crystal. Okay, it's connected with a crystal. That's why clock is there in pin number 19. Pin number 18 and 17. These two is a interrupt. These two is a interrupt. NMI is a non-maskable interrupt and INTR is a maskable interrupt. NMI is a non-maskable interrupt and INTR is a maskable interrupt. What is a non-maskable interrupt and what is a maskable interrupt? Can you explain me? Anyone?
So maskable interrupts are those interrupts which we cannot just cut off from the signal. Maskable interrupts. And the interrupts which we can restrict or put an end to are the non-maskable ones.
No, it's just you are saying that reverse.
No,
Non-maskable interrupt, you cannot disable it. It's always enable. It's always enable, just like a smoke detector.
Smoke detector, yes, sir.
And maskable interrupt means you can enable or disable the interrupt. You can enable or disable the interrupt. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Just see the left hand side, I think all the pin is described. Is it clear? Next is the right side. VCC connected with a 40, a plus 5 volt DC power supply. Connected with plus 5 volt DC power supply. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Next, A16 to A19. These are the actually address bus and some status signal. Status means status of in 8085. What are the status? This status is nothing but a depend upon this status. We are unable to understand whether the queue is full, queue there is any data or not. So with the help of this status line, we can enable. Whenever I am coming the status function of the status, I will be explaining you the status S3, S4, S5, and S6. These are the 4 status lines. BHG bar is a very important one. Bus high enable. High bus will be enabled. I will be explaining you after these 2-3 pins. Read bar, when RD bar, MN oblique MX bar already explained. RD bar means whenever this signal goes low, then memory read or IO read operations will be performed. Memory read or IO read operations will be performed. Right? Next, reset. Remember, when a high signal coming into this pin, reset pin, then microprocessor will be reset and program counter set at FFFF0H. At reset condition in 8085, what is happened?
At reset condition in 8085.
Program counter is set at, it's in 8086. In 8085, 0000H. I already explained you in the reset.
Yes.
You can see the reset pin program counter set at 0000H. But in 8086, it's the FFFF0H. That's why for memory interfacing in 8085, whatever our funda means from if not given anything, then ROM always starting from which address and RAM starting from which address? Tell
in
me.
8085, ROM starting from 0000H up to 7FFF, and RAM is starting from
No, this is
80008.
for your kit. This is for your ESA kit.
Yes.
But I am explaining you the memory interfacing picture. Am I right? Starting address 8000, starting address 9000. If not given, then what will be done?
If not given.
If not given.
So if
Then
if we assume that x,
Huh?
so if we assume that x or y any variable.
No. This is for timing diagram, boss. Memory interfacing. For ROM, always starting address 00008. For RAM, always
ending address
008.
FFFH.
ending address FFFH.
Yes, yes,
This is ending address.
yes,
This is starting address. Okay.
yes, yes.
Why? It's depend upon only for this reason. Only for this reason. Reset condition program counter at set at 00008. For 8086, what will be the ROM? Starting from or ending from? Just reverse. ROM ending at
Okay.
FFFFH.
H and RAM
Ending
starting at
address.
0008.
RAM is 00008. Why? Because you know at reset condition it's FFFF08. That's why these locations should be ROM locations. Because whenever you restart your computer, what will be happen? After restarting,
So boot.
boot means you have a software that is called OS. In Kit, we are say it is a monitoring program, or we can say it's a OS or monitoring program. Whatever you say, it should be run fast. It should be run fast, right? The OS should be stored in the ROM. If OS stored in the RAM, what will be happen?
So because RAM is a volatile memory.
Means?
So all are deleted.
Means
When
you can erase also. After starting of the computer, you can erase also. But in your whatever the OS you have, you cannot erase it. You cannot delete it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's why reset condition value means reset condition, whatever the address, it should be in the ROM. That's why it will ending address should be FFFF0, and for ROM over here is 00008 because depend upon the reset condition value. Okay. Next, ready. Same as 8085. So what are the ready functions in 8085? Can you explain me?
कौन फंक्शन बोला?
Ready.
Ready signals in it.
Say I have a 10 balls. I am given a so fast with you. I'm given one, at a time I'm given 2, 3, 4, 5. You can catch?
Not more than 2.
You cannot catch because I am given I am so fast, but you cannot catch.
Yes, I am remembering the example. Yes, you said that because I am not ready, that's why you are not going to throw the ball. When you see that I am ready, you are going to throw it.
Right. Like what are the function of program counter? If I am saying like that, program counter is nothing, a PC is nothing but a program counter. The next instruction to be executed, that is stored in the PC. That's the function of program counter. Are you able to understand?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If I'm saying like that, what is a PC? Yes, sir. PC is nothing but a, yes, sir, program counter. Yes, sir. The next instruction, yes, sir. To be executed, yes, sir. Stored into the PC, yes, sir. That is the function of program counter. Yes, sir. Are you able to understand in this way?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Means who is saying yes, sir? You are
Hmm.
saying yes, sir. If
Hmm.
you are not saying yes, sir, I will not send the next data.
Next data. Yes.
I am given a data, you should be digest, you should be stored in a particular location, then I will be send another data.
Hmm.
That is the ready. Ready is signal is used to sense whether the slower peripheral is ready or not. Means you people is ready or not. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Next is a test signal. Test signal just like a wait signal. Test signal just like a wait signal. Whenever you know the test signal is there, then microprocessor enter into the wait state. Test signal. Okay, whether the microprocessor is ready or not to ready, the microprocessor test signal is used. It will be available. Okay. Next, I will be coming into the hold HLDA, means the right hand minimum mode conditions. Minimum mode conditions. Not I am talking about the maximum mode. First, I am talking about the minimum mode. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in minimum mode, hold and HLDA. What is the function of hold? Same as 8085.
Hmm.
HLD also same as 8085. What are the functions of hold?
It holds the signal to prepare for the next one.
Sir,
Hold signal.
আমি মাইক্রোপ্রসেসরটা একটু একটু জানি, একদম জিরো না স্যার। যা বলবে
আচ্ছা,
তাতেই আমি
এরকম।
হ্যাঁতে হ্যাঁ মিলিয়ে দেবো।
না স্যার, ওটা আমরা করব।
যা বলবে একটা আজিগুবু
না 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 না
প্রকল্প
না, ওটা আমরা করব।
বানিয়ে দিলেই
না,
হলো।
আমি ভুল বললাম।
Hold signal used by the DMA controller. DMA controller means, I told you in the class, say whenever I teach in the font, but maybe some backbench students want to given a data or want to given a books or want to given a copy to the first bench students.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Can you recall this one?
Yes, sir. Yes,
That
sir.
is the hold. So one monitor or one person will be there. I think it will be Devojyoti. Who will be carry the books from the backbencher and it will be given to the front bencher.
Yes, sir. Bhaskar origin. Yes, sir.
And in that particular time, I will be teach from the font. I cannot go, from the font, because whatever the passage between the two rows of the chairs, it's occupied by the Devojyoti. It will not be occupied by me, or will not be occupied by any other persons.
DMA controller. Yes, sir.
It's a DMA controller, means
Direct memory access.
Means DMA controller request to the microprocessor to release all the external buses. After releasing all the external buses, DMA controller send another acknowledgement is called HLDA.
HLDA, hold acknowledgement.
Hold
signal.
acknowledgement.
Signal. So first, DMA controller requesting the microprocessor to release all the external buses. As soon as possible, microprocessor will be released, and after releasing, microprocessor given a signal is called
Another
HLDA.
signal.
Hold
HLDA.
acknowledgement signal. Write bar, whenever memory write or IO write operation, this signal goes low. How I can understand memory operation, IO operations? If I am talking about the 8085, there is a pin is IO oblique M bar.
IO oblique M bar.
Or in 8086, the name is different. M oblique IO bar. So you can ask me, sir, why this M oblique IO bar? Why not IO oblique M bar? It's also depend upon the architect. I cannot say anything about it. You think about its M oblique IO bar will be the better. That's why it is doing M oblique IO bar. So if this signal goes low, means input output operations. If the signal goes high, means it's a memory operations. Sir, what are the function of data? Data bus is unidirectional or bidirectional?
Data bus is a bidirectional.
Bidirectional, very good. Means data can be received or data can be sent. On the other hand, I can say data can be received or data can be transmit. So data bus will be transmission mode or receiving mode. That will be depend upon DT oblique R bar. If this signal goes high, then data will be transmit DT. If this signal goes low, then data will be received R bar. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in 8085,
Yes,
in 8085 and 8086, when the ALE signal is high, you know, then a address bus will be activated, right?
হ্যাঁ আর যখন লো তখন ডাটা বাস অ্যাক্টিভেটেড
Activated. না তখন active data was activated low
High?
আমি বলতে পারি না. High then
No.
activated and low it may be activated.
Maybe. Yes.
Maybe. Similarly over here, den bar. When den bar is low, then data bus will be activated.
ওকে
Den bar will be low means data bus will be enable. Data enable. Okay. And in ALE is nothing but an address latch.
Address latch enable.
Address latch enable, you know, depend upon the address latch enable can do any operation. Means, you know, for address bus selections, it is a help. How much time it will be act as the address bus depend upon the ALE signal. INTA. What is the full form of INTA? Interrupt acknowledgement. In acknowledgement of INTR. Means, I'm বলেছিলাম there is a 5 interrupt, only interrupt acknowledgement for INTR. Over here the same, it's the maskable interrupt, so you can enable, disable, but it have a acknowledgement signal of INTA. Only the acknowledgement of INTR, not for any mic. Okay. So this function is done by in minimum mode. This function is done by minimum mode. So those function is not required in maximum mode. ALE is not required. Den bar is not required. Oblique R bar is not required. It's required, but it's required some more, you know, more operations also. So that's why these 8 function is basically using this S0, S1, S2. S0, S1, S2 with the help of these 3, these 8 functions can be done. S0, S1, S2.
Okay.
These 8 functions can be operated. There is a table, you go down, then you will be get it. No issue. Next, RQ oblique GT0 and RQ oblique GT1. It's also very important. Now, who is the master in that particular class?
You.
I am the master. Next, Shubhra wants to become a master. And this, you know, মেয়েরা মেয়েদেরকে খুব হিংসা করে বুঝলে তো so Silpa also see the case where Subra become a master. I also become a master. So Silpa wants to become a master also. So there is a 2 master. One is a Subra master and this is Silpa master. So whenever I teach, Subra cannot start. Whenever I teach, Silpa cannot start. Is it clear? They first request me to release all the buses. They first request to release all the buses, right? So how it will be done? How it will be done?
Hold
First,
signal.
RQ means request.
Okay.
And GT0 is a grant. So Shubhra and Silpa can both request me to release all the buses, and she wants to become a, you know, master of that particular class, right?
Yes, sir.
So Silpa is not coming in the class, so I am not happy with that, but what can I do? Silpa is requesting me, and if requesting from GT0, then it will be get the highest priority with respect to GT1. Is it clear? So there are 2 requests. It can be accepted by me. Who is given me the request from GT0? It will be the highest priority, then GT1.
Okay.
How it will be hit? Functions will be done like request. This kind of pulse is given. This is RQ. Okay. Next, after the words again I am giving this kind of pulse. It's called GT. Okay, means first
Okay.
requesting,
Hmm.
then grant. Sir, how you can understood this is a low? It can be high because you just see all our bar is there, RQ bar and GT0 bar.
GT bar.
So there is a request. After as soon as possible, I am release all the buses and I am given another same pin. I am given this kind of pulse. Whenever say Silpa or Subra, whatever, job is done, means তাদের যেটুকু পড়ানো সেটুকু পড়িয়ে দিয়েছে, then again they are given this kind of pulse. So it means with the help of this pulse I can understood that his her operation is done. I can do again, I can teach again the students. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That is the
Yes, sir.
function of RQ oblique GT0. If you go down, you will be get it. There is similar kind of pulses is there. Lock. Sir, I am teaching, the best part of this microprocessor. It is nothing but a relative address. Relative address is very, very important for you. So in that particular time, if Subra wants to say something, if Silpa will be say something, then the classes will be hampered. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Obviously.
So I am close the options with the lock pin. If I am given the lock pin grounded, then you cannot request me to access or you cannot request me, to release. So I will be in that particular time, I will be teach. Means whenever some important part of the teaching, I will be lock the doors. I can, I told to you, just concentrate on it, just focus on it. You forget about the past. So something like that. This is the lock pin. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Next is QS0 and QS1. This is the status of, Q. What are the status? Q is empty, Q is filled up. What are the status of Q? With the help of that, we will be able to understand. Okay, you go through all the
Okay, sir.
functions. Already I have given the books, or I am given this part also. So function of each pin. So you go through this, you read it. I will be explained tomorrow some program and some memory interfaces in 8086. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow means
Okay, sir.
tomorrow.
Yes, sir.